So this auto scaling we are going to do in Colab using Python. So it is required for various arithmetic operation where your output might go beyond the range of 0 and 255. So here we are starting with the typical commands that we need for image processing using Python. For the auto scaling in arithmetic operations, we saw this equation which is given by RA equal to 255 into R minus R minimum divided by R max minus R minimum, where R max is the maximum of the value in the arithmetic operation and R minimum is the minimum value of the arithmetic operation. Uh, let's say I have a matrix which is ranging from 0 to 255. So one 8-bit image. I multiply that with 10. So multiplying with 10 will lead to my values ranging from 0 to 255. Instead of that, it will become 0 to 2550. And because for 8-bit, our highest cap is 255. Whatever is 255 and beyond will become white. So we want to use this auto scaling operation to make sure that our output also stays in the range 0 to 255. So how it works? It is very much visible using this equation only. Let's say my R max is, as I took example of 2550. Then I want to rescale that 2550 to 255. So we want to ensure that the maximum value should become 1 on this side, whatever is the multiple of 255. So if I take whatever is R max for my matrix, so R max minus I minimum divided by R max minus R minimum. So this factor will become 1. And whenever my R value is less than R maximum, this fraction will be always less than 1 and our value will be less than 1. Okay, so let me show you one use of it. So let me create a matrix array. I'll use NP. So I'm going to create a 2D image gradient. For that, first I will make 1D matrix of 100 element all ones. Then I'll create one matrix which is having values from 0 to 99. So we are going to make a gradient image of which is going from 0 to 99 and 100 cross 100. So for that, I'm going to use command linspace and I want minimum to be 0, maximum to be 99. And we want the steps. So now, if I transpose this B, so both are going to give us a one-dimensional matrix. So one will be all 100 times and one will be 0 to 99. So both are having 100. In order to do matrix multiplication, we want that number of row in one should be equal to the number of columns in another. So we will make the transpose for V. So for doing that, I will do np dot matrix V dot T. So let us print A and print B to see what we got as A and B. So this is, so we have printed, this is one row with 100 elements, all ones, and these are 100 rows with elements from 0 to 99. So now let us create its product. I will remove this printing. So let us define a matrix C, B into A. So here I ensured that we don't want to exceed this 100 value. That's why I took 1. So now if I do CV to imshow, I want to see the image. CV2 image show, my images. Okay, so this is a gradient image. Here in this, there is no problem. The problem will come if I am doing the arithmetic operation which is taking the values beyond range. So in order to do that, let us multiply this with 4. So my maximum will now become 400. Okay, so now you can see that from here onwards, you can't see anything because it has saturated till here only. So now let us apply this auto scaling operation. For auto scaling, first I need to calculate minimum and maximum. So it's a built-in function. So to calculate, I'm defining a variable as minimum. So minimum will be np dot minimum of, I want minimum of C. Then max will be np dot max of C. If you don't use this np dot and you only write minimum maximum, it will only work for 1D things. Okay, so you want NumPy when you are working with 2D arrays. So if you are having only one dimensional matrix, only one row, then you can even go with only minimum and only maximum. Then our equation is, so I can give this as auto scale. So let me call it AS. So that equation was 255 into 255 into, this is R minus R minimum. So here this R means I'm talking about every element from this matrix. So I will simply do C minus, here I have, and because the denominator is a constant, because it is here, if you see max minus minimum, so it is better if I keep it with 255. So I can write 255 divided by max minus min, and then close. And let us print this auto scaled image. So now this will be 255 divided by whatever was the maximum minus minimum for this matrix multiplied to C. So for every element, C minus minimum of C. Now let us do CV2 imshow AS. And for comparison, let us also print this C. CV2 imshow. Okay, so you can see the difference. Here it was saturating here onwards only. With this auto scaling operation, we ensured that our mix maximum is restricted to the range of 255. Okay, that's it.